10 DIY craft kits business ideas. Hello everybody, my name is Shekina Vaga and welcome to my channel. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about DIY craft kits. My previous video, I listed 15 DIY business ideas you want to consider. But well, today's video, we'll be talking about the kits. That's the equipment, the instruments you will be using to start your DIY craft. Now, if you love being handy, you want to do things, you like creating things yourself, but you're not really motivated to go into DIY craft business, why not you just sell the kits? If Muhammad cannot go to the mountain can come to Muhammad. So if you are not selling the craft, you can sell the kit. So people who want to make this craft will just buy from you. Now I'm listing 10 different DIY craft kits that you can consider going into. You don't have to sell everything, you can just pick two, three, four, five. But if you have the financial capacity, I would advise you to sell all of them. Remember, online marketing is going to be a very, very good and important tool for you to showcase your brand to the world. Have a targeted audience. Everybody should be your targeted audience. All age group. They are teenagers, they are children, they are elderly people who love DIYs. So everybody is your targeted audience. Well, you can also collaborate with YouTube owners, YouTube channel, DIY YouTube channel owners. Yeah, it's going to go a long way if you collaborate with them and they would add your link as affiliate and then you make money through that. Let's see the 10 DIY craft kits business ideas I've listed for us in this video. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to check out my previous video on 15 DIY business ideas you might want to consider. In our next video, we'll be talking about a very interesting and unique business ideas. You don't want to miss that. See you in our next video. To your innovation, I love you and bye bye.